My name's Craig Beckman. I'm the CEO of Aqua Membranes. We're a startup based in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And today I'm here with my friend, Louis the Lobo. Louis the Lobo is the mascot of the University of New Mexico, and it is one of our first and best customers. And I get the question a lot, oh, a startup, what problem are you solving? How are you making the world better? Well, pleased to say today we're at a site where we're making the world just a little bit better. This is the UNM's power plant at the Ford Utility Center. They've been running an RO for years and approached us last summer and said, hey, could we do better? Could we be more sustainable? What options could you offer us? And we brought our technology to their great site and gave them a couple benefits. One, they can make the same amount of water at the same quality and cut energy, or use the exact same product to increase output at the same energy consumption of the past. Really opening up that operating window for them and giving them more flexibility. If you want to learn more about this site or our other technology, our website's the perfect place, aquamembranes.com, and in fact we have a case study specifically on this site. You can learn more. Take care.